Hi! Okay, so today we're gonna make a pizza bagel bites.
Yes.
Yes, it's a quick 20-minute snack or lunch. All of the kids can definitely help or make it themselves. So ingredients wise, really easy. Bagel, mini bagel, pizza sauce, marinara sauce,
Cheese.
shredded cheese. I have some cooked bacon. If not, you can put pepperoni or just cheese, it's good enough. Our oven to 365.
Okay.
All right.
And we also need this.
Yeah, and then need a baking tray.
Yeah.
What I'll do first, we're gonna cut open the bagel.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, kids, ask your parents for help. The knife is really sharp. Okay, here's your bagel.
Yeah.
What you can do is, Emery, you want to do this? You want to take some of the sauce and then spread it over here?
So.
Need help? Here, let me help you. Okay. I'm going to put the sauce. Slow, slow, slow. There you go.
Okay.
A little bit more. Do more sauce.
The
And
whole.
then you spread it with the back end of your spoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
And then maybe another scoop.
for the second one.
Just a little bit more over here.
That's enough, but too much.
Okay. And this one.
Yes.
Okay, and use the back of your spoon to spread it. Make sure it's even.
And get a little bit more.
A little bit more? Okay.
Just a little.
There you go. Good job.
Don't let it fail. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna spill like that.
It's fine. It's all good.
No, just no. Just put the cheese. Now we're gonna put the
Now we're
cheese.
gonna put cheese. I have some shredded mozzarella cheese, but any
Yeah.
cheese you prefer. Go crazy on the cheese. Put the cheese on top of the bagel.
I know that.
Put lots of it.
That's on there.
Mhm.
There's more. There.
Yeah, go for it. Just make sure they're all on the bagel. Okay? And you can do more.
The cheesies. Ah. Look at my
Put
hand.
more cheese
Until it's full.
until it's full.
Just more.
Okay.
It looks like a tower.
All right.
Tower of power.
Now that we have our cheese,
Tower.
so if you don't have any
Tower.
meat or you don't eat meat, this is good to go. But we love bacon, so we're gonna put some bacon. You want to
If you don't
sprinkle
want
the bacon?
okay. If you don't want to put the bacon, it's fine.
Okay. And you can put the rest on the other bacon. I mean, the rest of bacon on the other bagel. Nice.
Not the other bacon. Wow, that's delicious.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's take this to the oven.
In the oven.
Okay, go take it to the oven.
So, now put it in the oven.
So, grab your oven mitt.
Yeah.
Okay, the oven is
Yummy.
really hot. So always ask your parents for help. Be careful, okay? So it's 365. And you want to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Does the cheese melt? Then we're good to go.
Yes.
Now 10 minutes is out. Here is our mini bagel pizza. Yummy.
Yummy.
It's really hot, so you want to wait for a couple minutes before you eat it. Okay?
Okay.
Smells really good. Does it
Yeah.
smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yummy,
Delicious.
yummy, yummy.
Yeah, and there you have it. Our quick, easy, yummy pizza bagel. It's done.
Oh.
Okay, you want to eat it?
Look at the tasties.
Okay. Mmm.
Yummy.
Yummy?
I just got my cheese on.
Well, there you have it. Quick and easy and delicious
No.
pizza bagel bites.
Yeah.
Cut.
Cut.